Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to upgrade a house in Build a City Community Town. To upgrade a house, click on the house you want to upgrade. Then you can upgrade it with cash and it's gonna take some time, or you can upgrade it instantly with gold. It also shows you how many silver or gold keys will it give you for each option. I'm gonna choose the cash option and then wait a minute and 15 seconds for the house to be upgraded. Also remember that here is the limit of workers you can use at once, limit of builders you can use at once. So if you want to build buildings, I can build only 4 buildings at once because I have 3 permanent builders and 1 temporary builder. So let's wait that time, and after that the house will be upgraded, so the number of residents will be increased, so more people will be able to live in that house. And now the house has been upgraded, so the number of living places has been increased, in that case by 6. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.